What's going on, guys? It's Coming Forward here, back again with another video, and it is time to unbox the Akai MPK Mini. It is a MIDI controller, just got shipped to me today from Amazon. I'm going to switch the camera around so you can see, but I also got to get a knife, so I'll be right back. Okay, are we good? I think so, yeah. Alright, so this is... I don't want to bump the camera. Okay, this is the Akai MPK Mini MIDI controller. Give me a second here. And I will show you the box. There's not much to the box because I just ordered it from Amazon. But there's the back if you want to pause the video. And if my camera will focus, I don't think it's going to focus. It kind of did. It comes with all these softwares, as well as features and box contents. Has the mini, has USB cable, has user guide, safety and warranty manual, and all of these softwares. So we're also gonna go ahead and shoop. I'll mess around with it too, and at the end of the video, I will give like a little mini review. And there it is. That's really little, actually, a lot smaller than I was expecting, which is awesome because I need something small to fit on my desk. I tried using a 61 key, I think, 63 maybe? Oh crap, can't remember. Let's just say it doesn't fit on my desk. So yeah. Get rid of these. And opens from this end. I was gonna get the limited edition one with the black keys, but it was way more expensive than this one. There we are. Dude. Okay. I am going to open this up, and then we'll skip to the review. I'm probably not gonna go over the software. Okay, so it's make sure this is nice and close. Okay, so it's been about maybe a little bit under a month, maybe a little bit over a month. It's been a while since the first half of this video. This is the second half though, which is the review part of the Akai Professional MPK Mini Mark II. This is the review half. It's a little bit dusty. I have been using it a lot though. My first song is actually posted. Link will be in the description. And so I'm just going to go ahead and go right into it. It does come with a, as I mentioned in the unboxing half, it came with a mini cord, MIDI USB you can plug in, and it does light up. But this is a general review. I didn't really use the, just gonna unplug it here. I didn't really use the drum pads all that much. I didn't really use the knobs all that much, but if you have FL Studio, you can tune the knobs to like you can sync them to a certain knob in the program. I mainly focused on the keys as well as the arpeggiator, and I didn't really use the joystick as much. But I will say that having this small thing instead of this giant keyboard was a lot nicer. I do recommend, if you want to save money and you're not really going to use this extra stuff up here, just get one that is a 25 key keyboard. I should have done that, but I wanted to look cool, and well, it's not helping much. But it is a touch sensitive, so the harder you do touch it, the louder it's gonna be. That's what she said.
That's what she said!
The softer you touch it, the quieter it's gonna be. That's also what she said.
That's what she said!
Same with the drum pads here. But there is also an option to, I'm just going to plug it in so you can see what I'm talking about. Obviously you won't hear anything because it's just a MIDI keyboard, but there's an option right here. Oh, sorry, I did not mean to bump the mic. Right here, if you hit that, now no matter how hard or soft you touch it, that's what she said.
That's what she said!
It's going to be full level. It does not work with the keys, unfortunately. But then if you push one and then hit the note repeat button, it will repeat the same. If I could hold it up right, I'm gonna scoot back. Okay, so you push a drum pad and then hit note repeat while you're pushing the drum pad. So you wanna hold the note repeat, and then it'll play it at the same pace as the arpeggiator here. So as you can see, the tempo tapper right here. And then if you want to change it, you just hold this, and then you can select, I don't know if you can see, focus, these right here. You can't, it won't focus, but it's 1/4, 1/4 T, 1/8, 1/8 T, and so forth up to 1/32 T. So if you have this on and you hold the on switch, and then you go ahead and you just hit like one of these, now that's the tempo. Obviously the tempo tapper is not going to show it because that is a custom tempo. But now that it's that, if I hit a note here and then hold full level, hold full level, it will do it at 1/34 T. The arpeggiator though, it's pretty much all the options. You want to hold on off in order to turn any of them on or off, but all of the options for it, you just hold on off over here, and then you can select all these red here. Oh, now it's focusing. Red here are the tempos. Up all the way to latch are the type of arpeggiator, so you can have an up. Come on, focus. Come on. Anyway, you can have an up, down, exclusive, inclusive, order, random, or latch. Latch basically means that when you hit a key, it'll keep going even after you've let go. Then these red ones here, right there, are basically how many octaves it's going to go up and down. So if you have it up to 3, it's going to go up 3 octaves. If you have it on the set up option, if you have it set on the exclusive option, actually, it'll go up and down 3 options, or 3 octaves, I mean, without hitting the top and bottom octaves twice, whereas the inclusive will hit it twice. And then over here, I have not figured out what the swings are. It's swing 50%, 55, 57, 59, 61, 64. I don't know. Haven't figured that part out yet. So if you know, let me know. You also have octave up and down buttons here. That just changes the octave of the keyboard. Then you have this button here, which is the bank button, which changes these to a second set. So you can have these 8, and you can have a different 8 set up with pushing this button. It'll go from, I'll show you here in a second. Too bad it's not wireless. It'd be so much nicer. Do they make wireless MIDI controllers? You let me know. See how it's green right now? I push it, now it's red, and it's a different set. It's very backwards, I apologize. I'm looking at my screen and the camera, and it's just backwards. Next you have the CC controls, which I have not figured out what those do, but when you click the button it turns red, and then you hit a drum pad and it stays red. I haven't figured out what that is or what the program changes, so if you can let me know down below in the comments. Program select though, you can have 4 different preset programs up here, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and that just allows you just hold that. See, I have it on 1, I can change it to 2, now it's on 2. Yeah, and then the knobs, you can, like I said, in FL Studio, you can sync them to certain knobs on the program, so you can just change it here on the interface instead of having to do it on there. That's the only real use of the knobs that I could find. If you can find out other uses, let me know in the comments below. Also, I saw a video on on YouTube about like a dude. He used this, but he did like a live performance, and that's kind of what brought me to buy it. I haven't figured out how to do a live performance. In fact, I haven't figured out how to do any performance. Like I said, I mainly just use it for the keyboard part, to just mess around with sounds to figure out what I think sounds best. But it also has on the back, right there, where you can plug in a sustain note. And that's about it. I give it, you know, if you know how to use everything, it's definitely 10 out of 10 because it's really cheap, $99. But I haven't figured out everything. I also am like a super noob when it comes to music and stuff, so I'm still gonna give it about an 8 out of 10 for what I use it for, because it's very convenient, it's very small, and I have like no desk space, so it's very, very nice that I can just set it on my desk instead of having this beast, which is a 5-octave keyboard. So yeah, that is my review and unboxing if you watched the first half. And anyway, without further ado, I'm just going to leave it off here, so I'll see y'all in the next one.